So we have 8 minus 8 and 2 minus 4. So 8 minus 8 equals 0, right? And 2 minus 4. So now 0 and 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. And here is hidden multiplier. So 0 times minus 2 equals 0. But this is wrong. Why? Because after parentheses, multiplication must be done before subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. First of all, parentheses, right? Then multiplication, then subtraction. Okay, so 8 minus 8 and 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. Now 8 minus 8 and minus 2. So here is hidden multiply. So 8 minus 8 times minus 2 equals minus 16. Yes. Now 8 minus minus 16. So minus and minus plus. So 24.